Roxanne. Don't put on the red light. Don't put on the red light. Don't put on that red light.
Boy, do we have a treat for you this morning. Today is National Barbershop Quartet Day, and we've got a real-life barbershop quartet here in studio. We're joined by 4th Street. Gentlemen, thanks so much for getting up so very early and joining us.
Oh, our pleasure.
Lee is here with us this morning, and they're giving us all a sneak peek of what you can expect at next month's Beehive Statesmen Spring Show. Thank you all so much for being here.
Well, we're glad to be here. We do frequently get up before the crack of dawn, every couple of years.
Every couple of years. Okay, we just saw Jimmy Fallon kind of giving a little bit, singing in a barbershop quartet. But the thing that reminds me, I was listening to you all practice, it's like the sound of the 50s, that nostalgia coming back.
Well, a cappella music has made a resurgence in the past couple of years anyway, and barbershop has really been the spearhead of that effort. But our style is a little bit older, a little bit funkier than some of the a cappella that we've come accustomed to. The lines blur sometimes, but we do like the old songs.
Okay, tell me where we can see you coming up.
We can see us at the venue of the show, which will be...
It's a First Baptist Church up on Sunnyside Avenue there. And our spring show is May 7th at, what time? 7 o'clock. No, it's early in the... 3 o'clock.
3:07.
3:07.
At 3:07, May 7th. Okay, I would love for you all to sing for us. Would you mind?
Sure.
We have to have our arms twisted to do
Okay. Twist arm, start singing. Gentlemen, thank you.
We're singing, hi neighbor, what do you know and what do you say? Hi neighbor, throw all your worries away. We're here to entertain you in the barbershop style. So throw your cares and troubles aside for a while.
We're singing,
Hi neighbor, my neighbor, now's the time to say hi. Now's the time to say hi.
There you have it, the 4th Street Barbershop Quartet. You can see them May 7th at 3:07 in the afternoon. Andrew.